Welcome to 1015 Carriage Lane Drive in Carstairs.
This raised bungalow has over 1,300 square feet on the main floor, a fully finished basement, and is perfect for your family.
The main floor is open and bright with vaulted ceilings, skylights, and big windows.
The kitchen is set up perfectly with a large island, walk-in pantry, and plenty of cabinet space.
The living room is warm and inviting with a cozy fireplace that makes this space feel like home.
The primary bedroom has a 5-piece ensuite and a walk-in closet. Plus, there is another large bedroom and full bathroom upstairs.
Downstairs is fully finished with a huge family room, 2 more bedrooms, and another bathroom. One of the best highlights has to be this fully fenced backyard. It even has its own koi pond, peaceful and one of a kind. One of the best things about this home is the location. The front of the house overlooks a nature park, so you have nice open views.
And just off the backyard to the right, you've got green space and a kids park, a great bonus for families. With an oversized garage and this amazing location, 1015 Carriage Lane Drive is a home you'll want to see for yourself.